Hi Queens, we're going to do this client's braid down and we're going to start in the middle of her head. We're going to have those braids going straight forward with some braiding hair for the extension. And as you can see in this picture below in the corner, this is how you do it. And we're going to start right there in the middle of her head. Then we're going to go to the back of the neck and start the beehive pattern. Bring that all the way around and connect those braids and continue with that beehive pattern. This next client is just simple braids going back with a beehive in the back, and we are going to cover all the red spots with a net. So we're only going to cover the red spots with the net, and then we're going to go ahead and put her crochet braids in. Now this next client has some really severe damaged hair. It was heat damaged, so I'm going to have to go ahead and cut out all of the damaged hair. I'm going to go ahead and cut all of that out, and then we're going to go ahead and do her a braid down, just straight back, beehive in the back, and then as you can see, we're going up with those braids first, then our beehive. Then we're going to put on that mesh net. The next client is, as you can see, she has thinning hair in the middle and thinning hair in the front. So we're going to go ahead and braid her back as well and do another beehive pattern. And then right here in the middle is where you're going to put that net from the middle towards the front.